Want to take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom? These 5 inspiring budgeting tips will not only help you save more, but get you closer to your money goals faster than ever. Stick around because tip 5 might just change the way you look at your finances forever. Tip 1, the 50-30-20 rule. This classic budgeting rule is a great starting point for anyone looking to get organized. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities like housing, food, and transportation. Then 30% goes to once your fun stuff like dining out or entertainment. Lastly, 20% is reserved for savings and paying off debt. By dividing your income this way, you'll ensure you're living within your means while still working toward financial goals. Tip 2, zero based budgeting. This method forces you to account for every single dollar of your income, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. At the end of the month, your total income minus your expenses should equal zero. This approach makes it easier to track your spending and prevents money from mysteriously disappearing. Tip 3, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each payday so you're saving without even thinking about it. Whether it's 10% or more, making this automatic ensures that you save consistently and removes the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. Tip 4, the envelope system. This old school but effective method helps you stay within your budget by using cash for specific categories. At the beginning of the month, withdraw cash and put it into labeled envelopes once the money is gone. You know it's time to stop spending in that category. It's a great way to control impulsive spending. Tip 5, track every expense. Financial freedom starts with awareness. By keeping a record of every dollar you spend, whether in a notebook or using a budgeting app, you'll become more mindful of where your money is going. This practice can often reveal unnecessary expenses that you can cut back on to save even more. There you have it. These 5 budgeting tips can truly transform your financial future. Which one will you start with? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more money saving tips. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach, one smart budget at a time. Thanks for watching.